करना आराम नहीं, तुझको करना आराम नहीं, तूफान आए तो आने दो। होशियार खतरों से खाली कोई यहाँ मकाम नहीं, रुक जाना तेरा काम नहीं, झुक जाना तेरा काम नहीं, तूफान आए तो आने दो। दुर्व्यसन बुराई को त्यागो, सोने का मृग मायावी है, कृष्णा के पीछे मत भागो। नई जवानी नए खून को मुफ्त करो, बदनाम नहीं, रुक जाना तेरा काम नहीं, झुक जाना तेरा काम नहीं, तूफान आए तो आने दो।
Om Shanti. Good evening, all Asian and Australian BKs who are listening. So today's topic, as you know, is challenges without service and Brahman company at times of pandemic. Today, though we are Sangam Yugi Brahman, the world around us is Iron Age. And though we belong to Bap Dada, we have to face many challenges even without pandemic. There can be criticism from people, opposition from friends and family, climate change, pollution, corruption, pressure at job, demanding family, health problem, all these challenges are there. In order to face them, we have to be very strong in Gyan and Yoga, which means we need to have power to face. Baba is giving us a title that you are the image of support. So if I am image of support, I don't need to take support of human company or by having the conversation with them. So more we have all relationship with Bap Dada, and we have conversation with Bap Dada. We don't need to take support of human company. Second title Baba gives is You Are the Image of Liberation, Uddhar Murat. And third title Baba gives us is Udaharan Murat, a good example for others to follow. In the beginning of Gyan, we used to take support of music, pictures, Brahman company, Brahman conversation, etc. Now, as we become strong, we enjoy Bap Dada's company and conversation with Bap Dada. One of the art of 16 celestial art is we love solitude as well as gathering the crowds. Now the questions are asked. I am Brahman who stay with my logics and work from home. Sometimes I feel the need to talk. Is it okay to call Brahmins for a casual conversation? I think it's good to have Jnani conversation with Brahmins. Casual conversation you can have with your logics who are staying at home. You should churn Gyan, share your experience of yoga, of life, of meeting Bap Dada, or some question answer. It's better to have Jnani conversation. Second question is not being in a service for a long time. I'm losing my happiness. How to overcome this? In the beginning, we are really depending on Baba's service to receive pleasure and happiness. But now, Baba says you should be happy all the time, not sometimes. Brahmins should give up the term of sometime this, sometime that. That's the weakness. Before we used to depend on having new material things, achieving success, etc. for our happiness. But now we should be happy, churning Gyan, and having conversation with Bap Dada. Now that I have time, that is another question, I am trying to churn knowledge. How to begin? I can't go beyond writing a few lines. So Baba says, be Swadarshan Chakradhari. Start our journey from Paramdham how we were in golden age. We were Sun dynasty, 16 celestial degrees complete, all virtuous, completely viceless. We took 8 births. Then we came to Silver Age, Moon dynasty, completely happy. There was purity, peace, prosperity in golden and silver age. We took 12 births. There were no conflicts, no sorrow, nothing. Then we came to Copper Age, and there were different religions. Impurity started gradually. We had 21 births. We belong to merchant dynasty, where we had sanskar of, give me this, I will give you this. Just as merchants, no? They say, okay, you buy this and pay this much. Then we came to Iron Age, Shudra dynasty, fighting, quarreling, vices, hospitals, police, judges, courts, etc. started. We took 42 births, and now we have become Brahman, Sangam Yugi, 1 birth, and we have got Gyan. Now it's time to return home. So go through the cycle, come from home, go home. So read Murli and expand the points. Gyan points, dharana points, and ask the question. Suppose you want to churn about love. What is true love? What is Kali-yugi love? How can I receive true love from Bap Dada? The love of mother, father, friend, etc. If I'm not receiving love, what's the reason why I'm blocking love from Baba? So asking what, why, how, etc. We have to churn that point and go into the depth of that power or relationship. Next question is, my meditation is not as powerful as doing in the center. How can I improve? Naturally, it may not be as powerful as center, but to make it powerful, sit with the aim that today I want to experience this power or this relationship with Baba. And churn on that, try to go beyond this material world and have that experience. And you will find having determination, being alert, checking yourself, you will improve. Next question is, having time now, what routine should I have to make my stage powerful? The routine, as Baba says, first is wake up between 3:34, have powerful Amrit Vela, sitting alert and enjoying Baba's company. Second, listen to Murli, churn Murli, note down the Murli point, and throughout the day, churn or revise Murli. Throughout the day, whatever karma yoga you do it in Baba's remembrance. Don't separate karma and yoga, but it should be karma yoga. Then have routine of traffic control for 1 minute every hour. Try to eat your meals in silence. Because sometimes we start our meal in Baba's remembrance, but then we forget Baba. But have all the time Baba's remembrance during meals. Next is evening half to 1 hour yoga. Usually in centers, we have 6:30 to 7:30 meditation. So depending on how much time you sit, half an hour or 1 hour. And before going to sleep, have at least 5 minutes meditation. Next question is it wrong to have a Brahman gathering without informing the center? It is good to inform center, though you can have without informing. But in that gathering, have Jnani chit-chat, Jnani games, workshop, sharing experiences, so that it is really Brahman gathering. Next question is, I don't listen to the Murli read by instrument soul online, but read on my own. Is it okay? As it is, you are saying, we have lots of time. Why not listen to the Murli first on the line or in the center if you are able to go. But afterwards, you can read Murli on your own. Churn and read at your own speed. Next question is, no one is asking about my well-being. Since COVID, I feel not connected and lonely. If nobody is asking, you can ring the center, keep connected with center or BKs, and share some jnani conversation. Next question is, I live alone and haven't gone out much since COVID. Not much data planned to enjoy the Brahman classes. How can I sustain myself spiritually? The thing is, as we discussed, we should have our proper timetable, and whenever we have time, read and revise past Avyakt Murlis. Most of us keep Avyakt Murlis of last few years. If not, try to keep Avyakt Murlis, because sometimes so much interested in Sakar Murlis, because even in the early days of Yajna, Dadis used to read Sakar Murli 10 to 20 times. But at least Avyakt Murlis, you can revise one Murli a day and keep yourself refreshed and have powerful yoga to sustain yourself spiritually. Next question is, I feel a lot of fear these days without understanding why. What shall I do? Yes, many people are afraid of catching coronavirus. And everybody is afraid of death. So consider yourself under Baba's canopy. Consider yourself to be Shiv Shakti. Consider yourself to be Master Almighty Authority. And you should have no fear of anyone. When Baba is your companion, when you are under Baba's company and canopy, why should you be afraid of anyone? Next question is, how to check the speed of my spiritual progress? Am I moving like an ant or at the speed of rocket? Those who are moving at the speed of rocket, they will feel very light and flying. They will be detached, ever happy, fearless, voiceless, and civil-eyed. They will be introverted, and day by day there will be fast progress. They will not be same. Every day, or they can see them progressing every week. And those who are going at the ant speed, speed of an ant, they are feeling bored, sometimes happy, sometimes sad, and they're not changing much. People will say, oh, you are the same, not change much. They get upset easily. They have criminalized and subtle vice. So they are not happy and content with themselves, or they are complaining all the time about others, environment, etc. Om Shanti. Now let's take new questions.
Om Shanti. Didi, someone is asking a question about karma. Does our karma start to become less? We burn our karma after coming into Brahmin life or even before this life?
Usually, what Baba says is that our last birth, 83rd birth, is better than our 82nd birth, which means that we have been prepared to take yarn. For example, some people, they say that in this birth, they wanted to be celibate, or they wanted to be vegetarian. Though born in a non-veg family, they didn't want to eat non-veg. So sometimes, in most of the cases, Baba prepares us beforehand. We are born in a religious family, royal family, with scars amongst family members. So I would say we have good karma, but no, Baba says you are born with fortune, but you have to create your better fortune by doing charitable karma and not spoil your fortune by evil karma.
So, can we have small gatherings in the center, small programs? Some people say you shouldn't because there's so much fear for COVID. Is it better just to do online programs? Definitely it's nice to be together, no, in the center. What's the balance?
You have to see the situation of your country. It's not the same answer for everybody. Because some people are above 60. So Baba says, or doctors say, that if you are above 60, senior citizen, please don't go out. Stay in your home and do the classes online. Because nowadays we have got so much facilities of listening through internet, online, on Zoom, on webinars, etc. Whereas in some countries, there is minimal corona cases. Then they can have gatherings depending on that. But like even in London, they are allowed to have 25% of gathering. Before they could have 200, now they are allowing 50 to 60 people. Where they were having 500 people, they are having 150 people or something. So we had to be sensible to put on mask, social distance, and see our age and country's situation.
Yeah. And one more question that has come is about love for Baba. How can we experience practically in meditation love for Baba?
You have to experiment to experience. Suppose you want to experience Baba's love as a friend, because you take different relationship, because we have to experience all relationship. Suppose you want to experience Baba as a friend. You start behaving throughout the day that Baba is my friend. Invite Baba for every activity you are doing. Suppose you are going out, tell, come on Baba, let's go out. Suppose office, let's Baba go to office. Let's go home. Let's eat our lunch, dinner, whatever you are doing. Invite Baba. Talk to Baba your problem. Talk to Baba about your achievement. Just as any news, first you share with your friend. So behave throughout the day, Baba as a friend, sometimes as mother, father, friend, sometimes whilst listening as a teacher. So experience that. But sometimes some people have block. They were betrayed by their friend or partner or something. Then they have to remind, Baba is not like Lokik people. He won't betray us as a friend or partner or husband or beloved. He is faithful and loyal. So more I am faithful and loyal, will experience Baba with different relationship and will experience different types of love. And then we can say, Baba is my world.
So more questions are coming about the current situation, Didi, because everyone is a bit concerned. What will be the future of sustenance from dadis and didis? There are so few left and we can't meet them. What can we expect?
At the moment, RCs are sending message every month. Double Foreigners team is organizing different programs. We are planning to have NCCC retreat online,
Okay.
silence retreat online, and many centers are having bhattis online. So people are inventing new ways to sustain themselves and others. And I am sure Avyakta Baba in Avyakta form will sustain us. We are also planning to get Bap Dada's message every month or every couple of months. So, and the best sustenance, I would say, is Baba's Murli. If you love Murli, listen, revise, churn, implement it in life, that will be the best sustenance. And that's why stock of Murlis. In case even internet stops, we can revise those Murlis.
Do you foresee a change in service direction in the next few years? Because sorrow is increasing. Or do you think the world will go back to normal?
I personally feel day by day, situation is going to become worse.
Even worse than now?
Yeah. I feel. And I was reading one of the Nostradamus
Predictions.
prediction, and he was saying 2020 may be the end.
Oh, really?
And he is describing that Bharat will have some leader, and that leader will bring one religion, unity amongst mankind. So there is expectation that Bharat will lead the world.
So, Didi, you mentioned about our last birth probably had more sorrow. This birth, we were a little bit. So, that would be the most sorrowful birth then. Okay. Now, people are asking Didi about the COVID situation. I think many people know what is happening. So, what can you say? Karmically, how did it come about? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing?
Everything has two sides. Because people are dying, people are now getting difficulty and challenges, losing job, no money, etc. So on one hand, the Lokik people are in too much sorrow. Whereas with Brahman family, I find there are more people online listening to Murli, more people attending video conferences. When there was normal situation until January, February, we used to have 400 to 800 for our Wings program. VIPs used to come, take benefit. Whereas now, online conferences, there are hundreds of thousands. So more people are getting message of Baba. They had time to listen, and they are inclined to listen spirituality. And we are saving expenditure of touring. Otherwise, most of the seniors are always touring. Now they are sitting in one place and giving classes. So some of our seniors, lecturers are busy so much over weekend. This weekend, there are so many conferences and seminars. On 21st September, the UN Day of Peace, there were so many programs happening around the world. So people like Sister Jayanti are busy whole day on such days. So on one hand, the service is increasing, and Madhuban or Indian accounts, every month, one group of 60 to 100 teachers used to come. And the accountant used to go to different cities. Now everything is done online. So there is saving of money and saving of energy. More people are getting message. More people are getting interested in now spirituality. So on one hand, there is benefit.
And what about the COVID situation in Madhuban?
COVID is catching hold of Madhubanvasi. In last couple of weeks, in Shantivan, 400 people were tested and 180 turned out to be positive. In Pandav Bhavan, about 5 to 8 people are having positive. In Gyan Sarovar, we are having 2-3 people positive, yet not confirmed. So it's catching on to Brahmins also. But now we have, each complex has their own facilities to isolate and to treat ordinary patient. Too severe patient will have to send somewhere.
So then people are asking, will there be a double foreign season? What will happen?
I don't think until December, January there will be. After that, we don't know. Because at the moment in India, every day amongst whole India, 85,000 patients are there, new patients. Though the death rate is very low, but number is increasing, hasn't decreased so far. So India has not opened itself for foreigners, nor any country will allow their people to come to India.
Yeah. Somebody is asking a question about the leader in India. You spoke about Nostradamus. Will it be Sister Shivani? Will it be somebody else? Who is this leader? Has to be a BK, right? This leader in India has to be a Brahmin.
Brahma Baba, don't expect Shivani to be the leader. Brahma Baba and Brahma Kumaris in general.
Not
one person.
Not one, okay. Okay, some centers feel that the number of regular BKs are decreasing because of COVID. New BKs are very difficult to create. So what should we do?
Keep on giving message. Because that's what we had to do, is sow the seed. And the plants will grow in time. Don't worry about number of BKs. Because even when people were coming for courses, out of 1,000 who did course, only one became Brahman. It's not easy to create Brahman. But Baba says, give the message and make your stage powerful. So that in the end, they will have the vision of angels or their special deities or Baba.
Didi, how to experience the combined stage now? Because we must keep Baba with us now to stay safe. How do we experience this combined stage? You know, you spoke about the fear of death, the fear of so many things.
That's what you had to do. Always think you are Shiv Shakti. Baba is your companion. It's starting to imagine and feeling. First you imagine, then you feel. And then others will experience.
If a soul is very sensitive and feels not respected, you know, they feel nobody respects me, nobody gives me regard, they're very sensitive, what can we do to help such a soul?
Give respect. Because those who feel they are not loved or respected, give them love and respect. Give them some chance to serve. Appreciate their speciality. And what we sometimes do is a workshop to increase self-respect. A group of 6 or 7 people will sit together. They know each other. And so each one will talk about the speciality of that soul. So if it is a group of 7, the soul will get 6 or 7 comment about their speciality. So they will feel, I am special and respected.
Someone is saying that everybody loves to cooperate as a guest on the webinar of another center, but not to help in their own center. Because, you know, even in the center, you need people to help to do online programs, so many things, no? But they like to be guests in other centers. So should we just do a one-person webinar? If nobody is helping, can one person alone just do a webinar, do a talk? What to do?
I think one person's is, we call it lecture and not webinar, isn't it?
Yeah, more like a talk or a lecture.
It's like a lecture or a talk. So it's fine. If somebody is happy on that, we can have guest speaker every now and again, because people want some newness. Centervasis are listening every day, especially Murli time, they are listening. So they want something new.
Yeah.
Give them.
So at the end, definitely we will see many test papers that we cannot face now, we cannot conquer now. People have fear, even Brahmins have fear. What are we going to have to see?
Baba has already told what sort of a test paper will be there to prepare ourselves. Just as student who has studied well will not be afraid of exam. In the same way, if we have powerful stage, we will not be afraid, but we will be ready to do service. Because even at the end, we can do service by giving them visions, giving them drop of love, drop of peace, drop of happiness, because in the end, they will want only just a drop. So if we have accumulated a lot of treasures from Baba through meditation, through Gyan, then we should be able to share with anybody and everybody, because Baba says there will be queue of devotees to ask for peace, happiness, bliss, etc.
And when people have specific fear, phobia, how to conquer this sanskar? Something might happen to me, somebody might kill me.
I think in one of my previous classes, I mentioned that we had to help ourselves either through Gyan Yoga to overcome our fear. But if we are not able to help ourselves with Gyan and Yoga of 5 to 7 years, then you can get help of psychological counselor.
Yeah. Okay, well, today we had good transmission and no problems, so everything is sorted out. No more questions, unless anyone else wants to ask, but it seems like there are no more questions, Bhai?
Okay, so we'll have few minutes meditation.
Sure.
We have 7 minutes, so we can have powerful 7 minutes meditation. We can play some English music, if possible.
Didi, one more question. Souls who have not taken birth, we call them spirits, bad karma.
Souls who haven't taken birth.
They're still
Evil spirit.
evil spirits. Can they do bad karma?
Of course. Evil spirit will do evil job. So they will be performing sinful karma. And naturally, they will have to suffer more. Because as it is, they are suffering. They are not taken birth because they haven't fulfilled their desire. And they are unhappy. So they will be performing more evil karma, more suffering.
And somebody is asking, Didi, how is Madhuban's financial situation? Can we give contributions?
Of course.
So they should contact you,
Yeah.
yeah, if anybody wants to help.
Because the thing is, nowadays, there are no guests or Brahmins coming. So naturally, the finances are low, and whoever contributes to Madhuban, usually foreigners contribute to World Renewal Spiritual Trust, and that can be used for Madhuban. We are nowadays doing some of the projects like health, hygiene and water project, Gyan Sarovar renovation, because we have refurbished or renovated most of the bathrooms in Harmony House, Dadi's cottage, and we are planning to do it in Vishnupuri also. So there is always construction happening, and naturally daily expenditure of Madhuban, of vegetables and milk and laborer is also quite a lot. So whoever contributes, naturally they are creating their fortune, and Madhuban is getting help.
Didi, if Maya comes in a royal form, it's very difficult to identify this as Maya. So you keep getting defeated.
So that's why Baba says, keep your chart. Keep on checking. If there is any unhappiness, which means there is some Maya. So keep on checking yourself. Be open to the feedback of others. Because sometimes we are not open to feedback. You say, I'm all right, something is wrong with you. So that's where we have to see.
And now the last question is, if I want to be an embodiment of virtues, do I practice one virtue and go in the depth, or should I practice all at once?
I prefer to take one at a time. Because if you are having all, you may not be getting anywhere. So one at a time, or two at a time, not more than two.
And the last comment, Didi, is about, you mentioned Baba's message every month. And someone is saying it would be so nice to hear Baba's current message for the world, for Brahmin family. Are you going to ask someone, or?
I have already requested, we have already planned to have Mohini Ben, Vedanti Ben and Shashi Ben. So one of them will bring in October.
Okay. That's it, Didi. So we can do some yoga now, unless you want to say anything else.
No, let's have few minutes yoga.